Alright, so this is the Virginia Beach National. Got the clubhouse HVAC replacement. Demolition plan, first floor, drawings, MED101. Got some notes up here. Remove package, dedicated outside air unit, and all associated appearances. Complete, refer to refrigerant recovery note sheet M001. Exterior internally lined ductwork to remain for reconnection. Exterior internally lined ductwork to remain. So that's note 1. Let's check out number 1 on here. Looks like we've got number 1. Here it is. Seems like the only spot where there's number 1, so they're saying that we're going to remove this outside air unit. Got an air unit right here. It's being removed. And we're going to leave this ducting, this internally lined duct here. All that's going to remain for connection. Alright. Remove air handling unit and all associated appearances. Complete condensate drain piping. Temperature control. Wiring and associated ductwork to remain. For reuse. So this is saying that the drain piping, the temperature control, the wiring, and the associated ductwork is to remain for reuse. Refer to refrigerant recovery note in sheet M001. Okay. Some recovery of the refrigerant there, and this is note number 2, so we've got note number 2 here, and we got note number 2 over here. Alright, so we've got air handler unit AHU3 and AHU1B. And we've got another one here, AHU1A. go ahead and write this up here too to remove the air unit of DOAS-1. Alright, cool, so we got those done. All that stuff stays remained. Remove the air-cooled heat pumps, number 3. So we've got some heat pumps here. So here's 1, 2, and down here we've got a few. 3, 4. 4 heat pumps. Write that on down here. Thank you, Lord Jesus. So, let's see what we got here. Number 3, what are we calling them? What's the name of this one? Looks like heat pump 1A. Heat pump 1B. Then heat pump 3 over here. And heat pump 4. Okay, so now we are going to remove these air-cooled heat pumps and all associated appurtenances complete. So the control wiring to remain for reuse, refer to refrigerant recovery note for sheet M001. All right, that's nice. So now let's see what this next note says. Carefully disconnect insulated refrigerant piping from associated indoor and outdoor unit and salvage for reconnection to new equipment. So, I guess they didn't mention that up here, so they're telling us here. They just mentioned the duct work. So they're letting us know that we're also going to reuse all these refrigerant lines. That's nice. Disconnect mechanical equipment to accommodate removal by mechanical contractor. Remove existing disconnect switch. Okay. And associated appurtenances. Save existing wiring, conduit for reuse and new work. So it looks like they want a new disconnect switch, so we're going to add. We're also going to say that, and then we need to make sure we add that into our cost estimate. Okay. All right. Looks like, yeah, this is that disconnect switch here that they're talking about, number 4. How many of them are there? There's 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6 of them, 7 of them. Looks like there's 7 of them. Okay. 7 disconnect switches. Alright. And let's see what they're showing us here on number 4. So number 4, they're just pointing out these refrigerant pipings. Alright. So Doesn't look like there's anything that we need to really notate about that. Here's number 4 again. Just again pointing to these lines, but they're to remain. So also here to remain, here and here, letting us know those are remaining, but this disconnects are coming out. Okay. So now it's also pointing at all these diffusers here. Also a diffuser here. They're not dotted, so those are to remain also. All these lines are remaining. So for this demo, this page is done. We'll tabulate this up. Removing a air unit, 3 air handler units, 4 heat pumps. Let's go ahead and put a quantity here, 4. And then there's that. So, okay. And again, this was MED101. Demo page completed.